Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Mississippi. Where are we?
Meridian.
Meridian, Mississippi. We're in the kind of downtown district, real urban, really cool looking buildings and architecture. This is the third video in a series of videos sponsored by the awesome folks at Visit Mississippi. Check them out at visitmississippi.org. Plan your next trip to Mississippi. All the information down in the description below. What are we doing today?
Max.
The Mississippi Art and Entertainment Experience. It is a brand new facility. It just opened up about a month ago. So we're really excited to experience it, share it with you guys. Honestly, I didn't do any research. I have no idea what this place is. I think Tiffany looked into it a little bit, but I didn't. So I'm going in blind. I'm excited about it because I like what it says, right? Art, entertainment, experience. So here we go.
Sounds fun.
This is right when you walk in the lobby. These are all different famous actors and musicians. The Hall of Fame. It's crazy. Oh wow.
They just got a face print up there.
It's creepy. Yeah,
What do they feel like?
it's just like
Like plaster?
cement.
Cement, yeah, like plaster. So some of these people are still alive. Some of them have passed away. They're all like blues legends. Would you guys want one of those of your face done?
No.
Give it to your kids? Would you be creeped out if I did one of these on my faces and gave it to you for your birthday?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. It's like kind of wrapped around you. You guys hop in the boat?
Noise. Alone.
Permission to come aboard. You look like you're in a video game.
Yeah, just what it looks like right now.
It'll track your movements. So if you go out like that, in, up, and down. Okay? So that's the way it's going to do. Now you're going to tell you to make some pottery. See those lights? Those lights are actually your hands. So you move, okay.
Can you grab the side of it? On the outside? There you go. Oh, come down further.
Tap done. It's gonna glaze it for you. Wow. How pretty.
All right, what's the next station?
Painting.
You want to paint? Paint a picture? Learn how to paint. Select the color palette. So the colors on the outside are the colors you want to paint with.
You pick a different color.
I don't know what I'm making. I'm just drawing.
You're making art.
Yeah.
Tree trunk. You're building a tree trunk. Whoa. A lot of interactive stuff, huh?
Yeah. Seriously.
She's doing all three. So who'd you just learn about?
Jimmy Rogers.
Jimmy Rogers. He was, what'd you say? He was a yodeler?
He was a country yodeler.
Country yodeler.
And he brought different type of music to, like, that time. So there was a girl, she was from Maxie's, a juke place, or no, Juke.
No, it's Juke, yeah.
Yeah, Juke. And,
Juke joint, right? Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Juke joint?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he brought like a different type of music to that juke joint.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Certainly there's a
I want to do this puzzle.
It's cool.
What's this?
Basket weaving.
Soft, luminous quality.
Basket weaving.
to life. as though it came
Basket
not from
weaving.
today, but from back in the old classic time.
Oh, one of these chairs.
It might have fawns and satyrs
Oh.
and gods.
Over under, over under. All right, you guys gonna try and put a puzzle together? All right, which one are you gonna try and put together? Trees.
These like
This one right here.
double-sided.
It's gonna be on
Oh yeah.
top.
Yes, they're double-sided.
It's going to sit on another one to fit it.
So this right here is like right here, because that row, that's that over there.
Guitar. Played at the
And then that's right there.
pine trees, clouds.
Yeah, so like really clean.
And that railroad track that ran behind our house. I love the sound of the trains. They can take me to the land of magic.
There you go. And then Bryce, you got the other piece in your hand?
There you go, smart.
There?
Yep.
Missing one piece.
Well,
Oh yeah, it has to stack.
Ta-da!
There he is.
Good job, kids. What's that?
This?
What's that? Big box.
It's a TV.
Look at it. So we got 8 tracks. Those are 8 tracks. Those are, that had music on them. You stick the whole cartridge in. Oh, the Atari. There's the very first video game system. Atari. Yep. 2 controllers. You use joystick with 1 button.
How do you make his mouth move?
It's from Sesame Street. It's Jim Henson. Jim Henson from Mississippi.
So that to understand the world, we first had to understand
Hi.
the world, it was possible to understand her state.
High five.
Hi, how are you?
but pick a question that relates to you.
So which one did you pick? The what if I'm different than people expect?
Did the coil one in class?
Gathering in the sitting room. This is the sitting room. Make a quilt.
And it's going to tell you all about chicken production in Mississippi, and then it'll highlight a great flavor of the Mississippi chef in Sunflower, Mississippi, and tell you all about him. Right. You got pork. Alright. Well, you have to put it in one of these. You get pork, and it tells you all about the big parts.
There you go, right? Bryce, breakfast sausage comes from there.
Okra. Alright, so that's going to tell you about Tyrone Bully. This is Chef in Jackson. It's going to tell you
bread and
all
catfish.
about Mississippi catfish farmers provide more than half the catfish put in.
Man, a Vietnamese style po' boy? That sounds amazing. Cilantro, fish sauce, carrots, and lemongrass pork. Oh yeah. Yeah, catfish BLT sounds amazing. This is a cool table, huh guys? Okay, so apparently this is a recreation of Dora Welty's sitting room. This is a recreation of what her sitting room looked like. This is a recreation of Elvis Presley's kitchen. So this is what his kitchen used to look like at some point. Old school refrigerator. Look at this, like old sink, basin sink, and oven, like a wood fire oven. Isn't that crazy? I'm sure you didn't have this interactive table. That's probably not there. But and then over here we have a recreation of William Faulkner's like study or library. Books. John Grisham, famous writer.
Welcome once again to Thacker Mountain Radio.
Oh wow, there's Elvis's one of his famous outfits.
Who experiences abuse and survive.
Just blinged out.
Despite
Bling,
her
bling.
acting experience,
Oh, look at this, it's like a theater.
received
Beanbags.
an Academy Award nomination for her role.
All right, so what'd you guys think of that?
It was awesome. Really fun.
That was pretty awesome. It's probably the most interactive museum slash like exhibit we've ever done. It was just every time you turned around, it was another interactive. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
What was your favorite thing, Bryce?
I like the like interactive plates and
Plates in the kitchen.
the like music thing.
Learning about the different artists
Yeah.
and stuff.
Mhm.
Yeah. What about you?
I liked the drawing, the painting, and the pottery at the beginning.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah. The pottery was really cool. Like it followed your hand. You kind of like act like you're.
And I like the puzzle too.
The puzzle was cool.
Oh,
We went back.
puzzle,
We went back and did the puzzle twice. That was really fun. Once again, big shout out to the folks at Visit Mississippi for bringing us out here, having us experience all that Mississippi has to offer. Jackson, Hattiesburg, and now here in Meridian. It's been a lot of fun, and we definitely recommend you guys coming out and experiencing Mississippi like we have. Link down in the description below for more information. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.